everyone and welcome Easy Drawing channel. Let's draw. Let's start coloring. Pink, very good. Green, blue, I love it.
Wow!
Green,
A, B, C, D,
Yellow.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
I love
S,
it.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Red.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
I
N, O,
love
P,
it.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.